Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Tableau mobile app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Tableau Mobile is a companion app to Tableau's powerful data visualization platform. It's designed to give users on-the-go access to their Tableau dashboards and reports, allowing them to monitor business performance and key metrics in real time. The app offers offline access, interactivity with live dashboards, and secure integration with Tableau Server or Tableau Cloud. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. Users appreciate how smoothly dashboards load, especially when properly optimized. The app maintains most of the interactivity found in desktop versions, like filters, highlights, and drill downs, and provides crisp visuals, even on smaller screens. It's especially useful for sales teams, managers, and analysts who need quick insights while away from their desks. That said, there are a few limitations. Some users report slower loading times with large dashboards or complex visualizations. Functionality can vary depending on the server setup, and offline access has limitations if dashboards haven't been synced ahead of time. A few users also mention needing better control over mobile layout customization. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like. It helps a lot. In summary, Tableau Mobile is worth using if your team is already invested in the Tableau ecosystem and needs data access on the go. It keeps teams connected to insights and supports quick, informed decisions from virtually anywhere. Just make sure your dashboards are optimized for mobile use. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.